Alright, it's Alberto. Right now I'm going to go over Bitcoin Cash. This analysis may relate to majority of the cryptocurrencies because today majority of the cryptocurrencies have been going the same way, and this is usually how the crypto market is, where you'll have something, if something like Bitcoin does something, then the rest of the market would follow. Now right now I'm going to do an analysis on Bitcoin Cash. Today we had a flash crash, you can see right here. Lots of selling pressure. I heard that there was an excessive amount of volume on one candle that brought us down so far. Now, leaving this candle right here, this is where the flash crash happened. It kept going down, lots of selling pressure, emotions, panic selling, people panicking, people getting liquidated, mostly over leveraged people getting liquidated here, which is very sad. This is why I wouldn't want to leverage more than 2x. Came down, and then here we are hitting the 200 moving average. This green line is the 200 moving average. Also got this 200 moving average, and we bounce off of the 200 MA and close above it, which was good. When I saw this happen, I was feeling more confident about the market recovering. Then we get this middle bar here, nothing really happened there, and then we get this nice green recovery candle with this green dot indicates that it's a confirmed reversal. So we did get a reversal on this downside, so hopefully we continue to recover back up to the upside. Now, to see my targets on what prices we could possibly hit before seeing another dump, I think the crash is pretty much over for today. But for the dump coming over here, you can see I have the cloud indicator here also. We did go right below it right here, but it looks like we're trying to stay in between this cloud, which is pretty much a no trade zone, but still this is recovering. We're just hoping to get back up above it, back up into the 700s. Now, since this is mostly faded green, showing that this is still a bullish trend. So now where I think we can go up to, we have to pass this resistance right here, which is around $637. So we do have to come past this resistance. So all this space right here, there's actually a resistance on the 2-hour chart past this. And if we can get back above here, that would be good. If we can just kind of zoom right past these lines and then close above them, that would be good. Then we could continue going with our uptrend till we get to $700. Now, right now, what I'm trying to show you in the video is the top. What could possibly be the top in the short term. So the top, once we actually get back up here, and it looks like we do recover, $720 looks like a major resistance. You know, we come down, we bounced off of this support line, also the moving average, the 200 moving average. We come back up here, slow recovery, and now we're looking at right here at the resistance line. So it looks like, if I can draw this out, we could possibly come up here, hit the resistance, which is around $720, and then we might continue downtrending, or the bullish trend is actually stronger by the time it gets up here, and we actually just, you know, crack right past it, and the final resistance level would be around $800. Anything beyond this is asking for a lot, and I would have to extend my technical analysis to really see what's going on in the news to see what would possibly push it above this area. Same for over here, because everything connects to each other. Same on the 2-hour chart, past these two, and then we can break up to $720. See, $720 is still the resistance level on the 2-hour chart. We also have the heat map showing that the heat map shows that is the resistance, and the darker it is, the harder it is to pass. So this is definitely a selling pressure area. And then if we break past this, pretty much up around $800, $770 to $800 is the same critical resistance level. This is the last resistance level, and this could be the turning point of Bitcoin Cash as well as many other if I do analysis on other altcoins, just about the same percentage that until we have a turning point. So in this case for Bitcoin Cash, that would be about $800, which is just, let me draw this out, just around 25% higher than where we are from now. So yeah, that's pretty much me detecting the tops. So now that we kind of have an idea of what the tops could be, we're just focusing on how fast this recovery will actually be. It looks like the selling volume and all that has calmed down, so that's great. It's nice looking at this bounce off the 200 MA. We just have to keep going. Now on the 2-hour chart, yeah, bounce right here. Got a nice bounce off the same line for the 2-hour also. Kind of closed above it, which is good. It looks like we're about to close on a 2-hour in 8 minutes also, so we could get another push as this bar closes. We get another push with the next bar up to $645 to show a nice steady uptrend of recovery. There's also this other site called I think it's called fiatleak.com that kind of shows the volume that's happening around the world, like all the buy orders. I'll go there real quick. Something called fiatleak.com. I believe that's what it is. And yeah, it shows you the volume, what's traded in minutes, past minutes. It shows everything. So I'm doing Bitcoin Cash. Look for Bitcoin Cash, click on that. You get the price of it, and it kind of shows you what was traded in the past minute. And then you can see a little map and radar right here. I'll probably go more over this in the next video if anybody asks in the comments, but I'm gonna keep this short. We know what could possibly be the tops for this coin, and we see that we had a bounce off a critical support level as well as the 200 MA. So guys, that's it. Please subscribe and leave a comment below, and stay safe with your trades.